Hello, dear RBI aspirants. Today, Clarity for SEO is going to launch a new course like 30-day Panchsutra Phase 2 plan for your RBI Grade B Phase 2 examination. All right. And in this course, this is a 30-day course. All right. And in this 30-day, we will give you the complete strategy that how to retain the maximum point, how to retain your static part, how to retain your current affairs part, and how to use your current affairs part while writing the descriptive answers in your examination. So examination is going to be held on 6th of December. Today is 5th of November. So you can enroll into the course and you will get the maximum benefit in just 999. In just the offer price of the course is just 999. All right. So if you want to hit the target, if you want to score better mark in the examination, and this course we will explain you each and everything that we are providing, nearly 25 plus descriptive self practice test. Then we have 10 objective test comprising 50 marks, and at last we have 5 full length test FLT of 300 marks. All right, so we will discuss each and everything about the course, and today we have a seminar as well in this regard. And in this I will discuss you each and everything that how to strategize your preparation in order to achieve the success. All right, so you can see the features of course over here. The course is divided into 5 blocks. Similar features we have seen during the Panchsutra Phase 1 program of RBI, and we have seen the very good response, and we have seen that how the questions actually appeared in the examination from the test series of that Panchsutra. Okay, other than those rudimentary questions. Now you can see here that block 1, the course is divided into 5 blocks: block 1, block 2, block 3, block 4, and block 5. These blocks, in block 1, it comprises the current affairs. The most important current affairs in the forms of descriptive and objective questions will be framed in the last 6 months from those current affairs covering from June till November. All right, and we will also have sessions on in Q&A, question and answer format. Then block 2, we will provide you the PDF material of top 50 reports, scheme, indices, and analytical sessions in Q&A format in the block 2. Block 3, we will again provide you top 30 plus important RBI circulars, RBI reports, guidelines, announcements, okay, which appeared in various financial daily newspapers. That is in under the block 3. Then in block 4, we will provide you the test series that comprises 25 plus self-practice descriptive test, 10 objective test in block 4. And in block 5, we will provide you the PDF of top 101 descriptive questions with model answers. This will be very important for your examination, it encompassing the ESI, finance, and management. Along with that, we will also provide you session over the English so that you can score a better marks in your English examination. And better marks I am talking about means 65 plus, 60 to 65 marks at least, or 65 plus marks out of 100. This you need to score in your phase 2 examination. And at last, we'll provide you 5 high quality full length trays with evaluation and feedbacks on every Sunday. So this is the glimpse of the course. All right, and you can find out the complete schedule of the course over here. So thank you very much, students. We will come with the webinar and we will discuss a lot about this course.